Seeking English S.A.T. Workbook, page 402, problem 4, no calculator. There is a little bit of calculation, but calculator probably is not necessary. It says, the table above shows the number of black balls and white balls in a bingo tumbler with either odd number or even number labels on them. There are 127 balls total. Remember that. If an odd numbered ball is chosen at random, what is the probability that it is a black ball? And these are your answers here, okay? I'm going to suggest right away that you should be able to eliminate this answer because in the denominator it has a number of balls larger than the number of balls in the problem. So right away you don't need that. What else do we not need? It says you're going to choose an odd number ball at random, okay? You are not going to choose any even number balls. I guess if you choose one, you throw it back. Whatever. Either way, we're not going to count those. So those, I'm going to cross those out in a second. Okay, but first I wanted to show you, I've not only put the graph on here, I've already totaled the column, the row, and the row, and you can see the columns and the rows, they add up to the same thing, and they should, 127. So the description in the book is accurate, 127 total balls. Okay, that said, like I said, I'm going to mark this out. My suggestion in marking things out is to mark them out so that you can still see what you marked out. That way it'll slow you down. If you see it, but it's marked out, you won't be tempted to keep looking at it. But if you've made a mistake in marking it out, you still want to see the thing. And could that happen? It could happen. It's less work to mark it out like that than to mark it out some other way. That's my suggestion. Okay, from there, probability that the odd ball is black. So all the balls we're concerned with are in the odd column. The total number of odd balls is 45. Okay? Okay? So that actually already gives you your answer. That was fast. No? Okay. Because it's the only one with a denominator of 45. Let's take a look, though. 17, and you can add these up, 17 over 45, right? Here's the total number of balls, total number of balls. The reason those are bad is because that includes the even balls, which we've already decided don't count. 17 is a number that appears on the graph, and 45 is a number that appears, okay, correctly in the calculation, but in the wrong place. It should be in the denominator, not in the numerator. So that sort of explains plausible reasons why somebody would get answers B or C here. Letter D, number 28 is in here, but this 145, I'm not sure where that comes from. So if you can tell me where the 145 comes from, I'll be very happy. Please put that in the comment section.